guys.
Hi, welcome.
We're in
Wangfujing Street, pedestrianised
street. So we're going to have a walk down here, see what we can
it's
see.
pretty cool, it's around there.
Yeah, it's cool. There's lots of pretty girls all dressed up.
Oh yeah,
Isn't
traditional
there?
outfits.
Yeah. Just ask 3 of them. And can I take your photograph, please? You're so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, there it is, Wangfujing Street.
Yeah, Wanfujing.
Okay, Alison. Just lined with shops, isn't it?
Yeah.
Shops everywhere. Well, shopping street, so it will be, won't it?
Well, yeah.
The shopping street, so it's going to line with shops. And then shopping malls down there. They've also got a church as well, haven't they? Catholic church.
St Joseph's.
It's St Joseph's, it's called.
St Joseph's Church there, I think.
Nice church too. It's a shame we can't go in.
It's closed.
It's closed. But it's nice inside. Oh, construction work going across there, of course there is. Oh, so it's spoils it a bit, doesn't it, really? With them traditional looking girls. They've gone. 3D experiences over there, virtual reality rides.
Yeah. We'll come back here at night, Stephen, and video it in the dark. It's nice all lit up there.
Oh, it will be nice, won't it?
Yeah.
Especially those big billboards.
Yeah.
And there's one in a minute.
The 3D one.
Yes, video that one. In the centre, you've got a brewery. Beer, it's craft beer. I wonder if it works. Take your glass.
Tap the screen.
WeChat our rally play. The cup will fill automatically. Oh, what beer it is.
And then you just pick.
And how much is it?
Different prices.
22.80, 17.90. How much is 17.90 in England?
Alright. 17.90.
Yeah. That's cheapest one there, 17.90. Which is it?
£1.97.
1.97?
Yeah.
For a half litre? Well, that's not too bad. You can also sit down and eat it, can't you?
Yeah.
Enjoy a cold beer. Does that mean they're not working, these?
No, it tells you then.
Is that what it says?
Craft beer. Because there's the taps, what you're...
Yeah, there's the taps.
This one here is that one.
There's no... Ah, because I think them there are not working, have they? Got stickers on. These haven't.
Lychee, is it? Lychee beer. Apple beer. Green apple, cloud top green apple. I wonder if that's like cider.
I don't know.
Wheat beer, Stephen.
Yeah.
Grapefruit. Blueberry.
Yeah.
What's that? Buckwheat.
Buckwheat. The price is £21.50, £20.35. So where do you scan? Where do you scan it?
You touch the screen. Touch the screen, scan that.
I'll scan that, yeah. So scan that with your pay. Nice cool beer for you. Yeah, that's a good advertisement board, Alison.
Isn't it?
I wonder if Cameron's picking this up.
Watch him come out in a minute.
Yeah,
There
he's
he
out.
is.
Chasing his balls. Oh, his ball fell out. Oh. He's out again. Oops. Where's he going? Sniffing. Where's he gone? Oh, it's advertisement now. Right. Look in this department store now.
Yeah.
Dongan department store.
Probably in there.
Who's
Or
going
it's
to?
in that man palm, I don't know.
Oh, it will be Lancome. It'll be in this one here. You got all the iron shops here too.
Yeah,
Rolex
Rolex.
shops there. Amiga shops behind me.
Yeah, look till we just up there.
Yeah. That was pretty cool, that place there though.
Yeah. I don't know what it is.
Chanel number 5, Le Mans.
Look at that Amiga there,
Where?
Spaceman.
Oh yeah, Spaceman.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're coming out again, Alison.
Yeah.
Take a breath.
Oh. all that. When they stick out.
Yeah, go on. Let's have a look in here. We've got to get the ship on, haven't we?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gone off now. You just missed the ship. Come back on again, the ship. Blown up.
Give it after.
Yeah.
Look at this, Stephen.
Yeah.
The year of the horse.
马的脚，你的脚哈。
Wangfujing
It conveys auspicious wish for success and embodies the spirit of aspiration.
This year is the
Year of the horse, yeah.
horse.
Yeah.
In China,
Okay.
horse means strong.
Strong.
Where are you from?
England.
Oh, England.
Thank you.
Have a good time.
Thank you. Year of the horse. 8 steeds, that's the 8 steeds. Are you rubbing him for luck?
Would you rub?
I don't know, just give him a rub. Go on, give him a rub, Stephen, for luck.
I've rubbed him. Oh, it's okay. Look at this.
What? What are you showing me?
Pineapple sandwich,
Oh yeah, Oreo and banana sandwich.
sunflower sandwich, strawberry and mango sandwich.
Look at these cute little ice creams.
What?
Cute little ice creams.
It's got a snotty nose, that one.
Yeah. Wow. That one's grumpy over
He
there.
looks puzzled.
He's grumpy.
He's always grumpy on that one.
Oh yeah, that's a grumpy one, that. Cute.
Yeah, he's happy to back those big ones.
Oh
Stu.
yeah, he's got big eyes.
Yeah,
Heart eyes.
he's smiling.
Should we carry on? We'll see what else we can find. Yeah, should we go and have a look down there?
Cool street.
It's a cute little street.
Yeah, it's nice, the street. It's selling just restaurants.
I don't know. Have a look.
Have a look, have a look, have a look.
Look at that, Stephen.
What?
Look at that.
This guy here.
Got a hard there.
Yeah, he's not good. The chef. It's a pretty large way, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
And what's beyond it?
We shall
Probably-
find out,
We've
shall
walked
we?
there, but nothing there, you know.
There'll be nothing there, we'll have to come back. City Garden, I think it says.
Alright, yeah.
We'll have a look. Nothing down that street, is
As
there?
per usual. What
As
did in
per
our
usual.
street? There's something down here.
Maybe.
What is this, the main road?
Yeah. Here we are.
Nothing. Let's head back to it.
Head back to Wangfujing Street.
Yes. We'll find one.
This is where we've ended up. Round here.
What is it though?
I've not a clue. Oh, look at them.
What bags?
All them bikes, yeah. He must be going to collecting them from where they've been dumped.
I'll put them back.
Another one here.
If you want this for
Yeah. He's not got as many.
Well, I'll jump up with that too, huh?
Yeah. Bikes, motorbikes. Are we in this way? Look at all the bikes here, bikes.
Oh.
Would you ride a bike round here though?
You can't ride a bike anyway, can you?
No, I can't ride a bike anyway. There's a lot of Huawei shops,
I know.
but can't use Huawei, can we?
We can't.